Wow, sila.
Dito na kami sa loob. Kukuha kami ng, nakapila na kami. So, ayun. Hello guys, papunta kami ng Filipino restaurant dito sa Ihaw-Ihaw. So, dito banda to sa Virginia Beach. So, papasok na kami. Gutom na rin kami.
Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff. I've been on the same shit. Girl, why are you playing with me? I don't got the time for that. Might need me a refund. I'ma need that time back. You say you'll try, I've heard that line 1,000 times before. I'm not sad, I'm not crying. If you mad, that's fine. But I think that I should go. Yeah, why you trying to play me? You being a different you and I'm being the same me. You could've had Gucci, but now it's so Navy. And your homegirl wanna date me, she shady, baby. Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff. I've been on the same shit. Girl, why are you playing with me?
Ma-withdraw ba $7?
So, bukas punta na lang tayo doon.
Try mo.
Posting ito na.
Paano mag-withdraw ng $7?
Hello guys, right ko. Katatapos. Hello guys, katatapos na namin kumain sa Ihaw-Ihaw. So, pupunta muna kami sa dollar store kasi bibili kami ng bubble gum. So, sama tayo. Hindi tayo.
Mga guys, dito po kami sa farmers market. Ang init po, which is really good. Kasama ko na si mama.
Kuha ka muna po.
I'll be right back.
guys, natapos lang namin mag-grocery. So, pinapasok na namin sa kotse. Yun.
I'll make more. We still have mayo. Hi, hi. Oh, peanut butter? Ma, Ma, it's right there.
Peanut butter? Huh? Wala. Here. I'm good. Ayoko ng beef.
Meat section. Beef section. Ba-dam! Now we're looking for meatballs. Ano? Ano? School supplies. Almost school na. Which I'm not really looking forward to. Price low, $2.49 each. That doesn't really help, mate. Tampax. Ew.
This one.
What else?
This one.
In search of meatballs. Pizza. Red Baron. What the world? You know what? Classic.
Dito na naman kami sa labas. Wait. Pasok yung grocery. So this is good for 1 month. Kaya medyo madami. So yung grocery namin is good for 1 month. Kasi ayaw ko yung lalabas-labas tayo na Austin. Loob. Okay.
Go! Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami. So yun guys, may pakita po namin kayo yung pinili namin. AirPods. Ewan ko ano yan. Galaxy Buds. Galaxy Buds. So buksan na natin guys. So yan ang itsura niya guys. So nakasabi designed by Apple in California. So yan yung itsura guys. Magical AirPods. So yan. Kunin na natin guys. Yan. So isa slide. Yan. So yan ang itsura niya guys. Yan. And it also comes with a, so yeah guys, so it has a button right here. So this, you push this thing. I know you can't see it, so let me focus the camera. Yeah. That button right there, you press this button to connect to your phone and it automatically connects. So it also comes with the cable, charging cable. It doesn't come with the box, it only comes with the cable. So that's for it for the Apple AirPods Generation 2. By the way, the Apple AirPods Generation 2 is activated with Siri. So you can talk, you can just say hey Siri and then Siri will pop out anywhere. So guys, ito po yung Samsung Galaxy Buds natin. Ito po siya. I don't know if you can see it. Pero this is actually the came up with the new Samsung S10, and for me as an Android user, Samsung user, it looks nice and I think it's really good, but I haven't tried it. So I would just remove the tape and stuff, but we need to be really careful. I hate it when they do this. So yeah, I have the black variation. I was gonna get the white one, but I kind of like the black because it doesn't get really dirty. So it's really this small. Compared to the AirPods, it's not that big. It's right here. Like, it's not that big, like width and length and stuff. But it's somewhat, yeah, it's somewhat thicker than the AirPods. So yeah, so I got the black variation, and then we just open this really carefully. But for some reason, it's really sticky. Let's just tear it off then. This is so unprofessional. Could have slide that off. So it has the Samsung by AKG. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes with a USB Type C for the charging port. And when you open it, that is how it looks like. Hallelujah. It's really small. It's like this small compared to the AirPods. It's not as big, but it's a lot bulkier than the AirPods though, because AirPods inside it's just this, and then this is the Galaxy Buds. The
It's
black.
just an earphone, but they just cut the wire off.
Yeah. So this is the comparison between both of them. Both are actually really good, but they said that one of the new ones, which is the Beats Pro or something,
Pro 4.
actually is way better. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. So peace.
So guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Yun, binili na namin AirPods. Then si EJ nakabili siya ng Samsung. Then guys, by the way, yung sa DMB po, di po kami nakatake ng test kasi they requires more documents that we don't have currently right now. So we probably gonna take it anytime soon this year. You never know. So guys, thank you for watching our vlogs, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and show love to our channel, guys. Click the bell button so updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos namin. Thanks sa pag-support, guys.